Hey guys, welcome back. This is obviously, this is for YouTube as usual. Today doing bushcraft. However, we're actually camping overnight. There's the fire. There's my friend Jack. That's his tent. My friend Paul's tent. He's quickly gone to the nearest town to get some water because the place the pond that he got water from and they purified tasted absolutely horrible. So he's gone to get some water and yeah, my tent. My tent. Yeah. Very nice. He's got his own like wee barbecue. I've got my camping stove. We've got fire. We've got plenty of firewood. And yeah. See you guys later.